Hi traders, and thanks for tuning in to another video of correlation trading, which is key for successful trades, especially specific major events like China events. And today I'm going to discuss this in this video. Now, why is China so important, you may ask? Well, it's not only the world's most densely populated nation, but it has the second largest economy in the world. Economists believe the Chinese economy will actually continue to grow every year, and it now outpaces other emerging economies in consumption per capita by a very considerable margin. 10 years ago, China's main contribution to the global economy was manufacturing. But now, thanks to migration of rural inhabitants to towns and cities, increased consumerism and a growing middle class, the economy is increasingly driven by the spending of its own citizens. Now, the Chinese consumer still supports many markets across the world. The country is credited with reviving the European luxury goods market, the Australian mining sector, and global car manufacturers. 2/3 were from luxury motoring brands, 2/3 of cars imported last year. Now, China has large foreign exchange reserves, and it's the key buyer of gold. Its investment in jewelry and diamonds is reaching 255.2 tons last year, up by 10% on the previous year's levels. Now, you may be asking, okay, that's all very well and good, but how do I trade China? Well, the currency doesn't trade binary and altogether not completely liquid. So a different way of trading would be through the Australian dollar. Why? Because Australia is actually one of the biggest exporters to China, mostly iron, and a total of more than $100 billion. That's amazing. That's $100 billion. Surprising rate cut as experienced Friday, that was last Friday, stimulates the Chinese economy and could push the Australian dollar USD, especially in short, medium term. The reaction by the currency was fast after rate cut announcement, and the pair's trading on a solid short-term uptrend channel. Now, let's see this on a graph, because the graphs are very good. You can get them from Netdanya, and they will show you exactly how to correlation trading. So here's the Australian dollar US dollar chart. Now, here's the jump on the China rate that I was talking about, this uptrend channel. You can see all the statistics here. And you can actually put in any currency you want, but when you're trading like specific events like China, Australian dollar is a good one. The HSBC Manufacturing PMI, now this is a great Chinese event, and it's perfect hour for Australia and New Zealand traders to take advantage. Australia is one of the biggest exporters to China, like I previously mentioned. And good news from PMI means above 50 points can push the Australian US dollar above 0.9 as it's trading lower since March. A better economy from China means people will buy more from Australian goods, and there'll be more demand for Australian currency. So now you can see the correlation here. I hope this helped, and continue to subscribe to our YouTube channel now and keep watching all our trading videos, because it's very important to learn, and you can go from a beginner to advanced trader in no time at all with our educational videos. Thanks very much and have a successful week of trading. Bye traders!